everyone, my name is Harumi from Okei-san.japaneseteaplus. In this video, I'd like to show you how to make a Furoshiki Eco Bag. This bag is very useful because you can adjust the size of its opening according to an object. You need one Furoshiki to make this Eco Bag. Scissors and needles won't be required. What you have to do is to make 2 mabusubi knots and 4 hitotsumusubi knots. If you are not sure what mabusubi knot is, check out my previous video in which I demonstrated how to make a mabusubi knot. Hitotsumusubi knot is a simple knot, and I'll show you later just in case you are not sure. Let's start. Make a knot on each corner. I'm using a 100 cm furoshiki, so I'm positioning the knot about 20 cm away from the tip. Bring 2 corners next to each other. Make a mabusubi knot. Repeat the same knotting for the other corners. Now you see a Furoshiki Eco Bag. If you want to wrap, for example, a watermelon, make the opening wider. Place the watermelon inside. To fit the bag to the watermelon, adjust the hitotsumusubi knots. You can place any size of objects in this bag and also adjust the length of the handles. If you want to buy an authentic furoshiki, check out the link in the description. Have a try and enjoy!